Step-by-step guide for your fall wardrobe transition. Hey everyone, welcome to my podcast, Lean Into Your Obstacles. I'm Lulu. It's a place where you can voice your organizing obstacles and get motivated to turn your struggle into an opportunity. Today, we're transitioning your fall and winter wardrobes. Let's look at how you can get started. Start by assessing your current wardrobe. The first step in any wardrobe transition is to assess the clothes you're currently wearing. Ask yourself, have I worn this in the past season? Does it still fit? Is it in good condition? If the answer is no, consider donating them. Next, start sorting. Create 3 piles: clothes to keep for fall, clothes to store for spring and summer, clothes to give away. The clothes you're keeping for fall should be your transitional pieces, those that work well in both warm and cooler weather. And now, let's talk about storage solutions for your warm weather clothing. Find a bin or a box that keeps your clothes protected from dust and pests. Good options are those shrinking vacuum-sealed bags or the clear plastic bins with lids. Using clear bins allow you to see what's inside. They maximize space while keeping your clothes safe from moisture and odor. Let's focus on prepping your fall wardrobe. Take out your fall clothes from storage and give them a quick check for any signs of wear or damage. If you find any issues like loose buttons or missing zippers, make sure to address them before adding the items back into your wardrobe. The final step is to organize your fall wardrobe. Group like items together. Color code your clothes if you want to, and use good hangers that hold everything up. It'll create a clean and cohesive look. Don't forget to make use of the underutilized spaces like the back of your door or shoe racks for your favorite fall footwear. Use the step-by-step guide for transitioning your wardrobe from summer into fall and start enjoying the warmth of your clothes to express your fabulous style. Plus, an organized wardrobe makes your morning smoother and helps you make the most of your fall fashion. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more organizing tips and tricks. Go on now, start organizing your fall wardrobe. You've got this. Thank you for liking and subscribing.